work. I got my Redcat Machete out. What I'm doing today, I tightened up that center diff. I put earplugs in there. Just want to bash her anyway, but didn't do no upgrades on it. As for my receiver box, well, somebody suggested that I put tape on the bottom of the chassis with the receiver box to go over top of. That acts as a sealant, so I put that over there on there so it could stop the water from getting in. I tightened up that center, and I turned the punch up to 7. The punch was on 5. I turned it up to 7. Grass a little high here. Yeah, I gotta fix this steering real quick. I don't know if some of you don't seem like it's pushing like that. Maybe just me. Kind of knew that was going to happen. That's why I slowed down. Don't seem like it. The punch level did too much. It's toasty out here today. Oh yeah, the punch is up. I've never seen it. Yeah, it is up. Couldn't tell on the grass. Only thing I mess with is the punch level. I know I'm not abusing it hard, y'all. I don't know. They go right to the bench every time. So I was going into the basketball court. Maybe I should hit it right here. Yeah, that tighten up that center diff with some earplugs actually works. Actually worked. Ooh, I thought I had that cord for sure. Don't even look like I caught that. Yeah, it's a little hot out here today. It ain't flip. This ain't a flipper at all. Scratch a little high though. This thing jumps real nice though. I give it credit. Whoa. I had to break something on that one. Everything seems to be working. This is a good truck, man. Think about it. I mean, you put some better tires on here. Stronger servo. Servo not bad, but put a stronger servo on here. It'll be all right. This thing jumps nice, but that chassis slap is real. Like, lift it up some, you probably won't have that severe chassis slap. I think the battery came loose. Yeah, the battery came loose. I want to see how hot it is anyway. Yeah, she's pretty hot. Got stuff all in the fans. Yeah, she hot though. I'm gonna end this video on that note. But if you enjoyed that video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more